free PayPal money. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I made $379 in PayPal money simply by using this free strategy. Okay, guys? So on this channel, and first of all, I'm Linsay with LinsayMoore.com, and on this channel, I share with you guys ways that you can make money from home, how to make money online, as well as personal development type videos. Now, before I dive into the content, go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So, like I said, with this strategy, I'm going to quickly share with you the steps that you need to take in order to, set up this system for you, pretty much, and the steps that I did in order to get those type of results. Now, this won't be a full-on tutorial because I've actually covered, this in prior videos where I have gone through step by step on how to do this. So I'll make sure that I include that video below this video and in the description below. But make sure you just go ahead and watch this video so you can just get an overview of what you should do in order to get some free PayPal money. Okay, guys? So what I want to share with you all is basically how you can actually promote upcoming affiliate launches in order to earn commissions. Okay, so this is something that I did when I first came online back in 2013, and I started to do video reviews of upcoming product launches, and I will actually review the product. I'll let people know what it is, the pros, the cons, what problems it solves, and things like that as well. Because think about it, when upcoming launches are about to happen, the first thing people want to do is before they buy anything, they want to get a review of somebody else who has used the product, who owns the product, or whatever else, right? And it's the same thing like with anything, like even like with when people want to know more about cars before they purchase, they'll come over here to YouTube, watch some review videos, learn more about the car before they even make a purchase, okay? So we're just basically doing the same thing when it comes to upcoming affiliate launches, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to this website, which is called muncheye.com. And yes, it is a weird name. So on muncheye.com, they will let you know of any upcoming affiliate launches that are coming up, right? So as you guys can see here, we have Convertry that's getting ready to drop on tomorrow. You have ClickBank Breaks the Internet. You have a lot of products that are getting ready to launch in the next couple of weeks, okay? So when you click on one of these products, they're going to tell you, they're going to give you information on what it is. You're going to have access to a JV launch page, which is going to give you more details about the upcoming launch, the price point, how how much the product is going to cost, what problems it solves, all that type of information. And also on this page, this is where you can apply to become an affiliate. Now, once you have applied to become an affiliate and you have received your link, the next thing you want to do is you want to do a review. So this is an example of a review that I did. And this product was called Easy Pro Funnels, okay? So if I skip along, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just giving people, a review of what this product is, all right? Now, also something that you can do when you apply for your affiliate link, after you have been approved for your affiliate link, you want to see if you can get access to a review copy, okay? Now, if you don't have a whole lot of sales history and all this type of stuff like that, some vendors may not give you access to a review copy, and that's completely fine. When I first got started with this particular, system, I just read off the sales page, okay? I just went into really good detail about the sales page and things like that as well. Now I start to ask more about the review copy, so that way I can get access to review copy, and I can give people like a back office tour of the potential of the product that I'm promoting, right? So, like I said, in this video, it's like a 14-minute long video where I am talking about the product, and then I'm also going into my bonuses, okay? So if we click on this link right here, it's going to bring people to my bonus page that I have created, right? It goes to this page. I let people know what it is, how much the price is, and any upsells that the product has. And then I also included some of the demo videos, and then also my bonus package that I give to anybody who purchased this product through my link, okay? And that's what I do, right? So that costs me even if you don't have the money for the tools, right? So let's say like if you don't have ClickFunnels or lead pages or anything like that, you can use Wix or like Squarespace. You can use those free options and create similar pages like this, so that way you're not even coming out of your pocket to spend money on creating a bonus page. And again, all of this is free. We haven't spent any money on doing this yet, okay? So that's what you want to do. And then also when it comes to the bonuses, what you want to do is you want to find some bonuses. So if you don't have like your own like trainings or something like that that you can include in a bonus, you can either create your own bonus, something that's related to the product that you're promoting, or you can go to a website like idplr.com, and this is a private label rights website, okay? So they have like tons of like ebooks, video courses, and all this type of stuff like that, where you can come over here and create your own bonus package. And again, you want to make sure that the bonuses that you create are related to the product. Just don't put a whole bunch of no nonsense things together just to offer a lot of stuff. It's better to offer maybe 3 or 4 things that are related to a product instead of offering 100 bonuses that have nothing to do with what the product is, okay? You want to make a really good bonus package, and you can do that again by using this website IDPLR, or like I said, you can create your own bonuses, and that's what I do. Sometimes I use a mix of the PLR and I also create my own bonuses, all right? So that's what you do. So once you have done your review video and you upload it to YouTube, what happens is when that launch happens, it's going to be a lot of people who want to know more about the product, and it's going to be an increase in traffic during launch week. And usually launch week is like anywhere from like 5 to 7 days. Sometimes it's longer. So people are going to start coming over to YouTube, and if your video is there where you're giving a good review and you offer your bonus package and things like that, anybody that purchases through your link, guess what? You earn a commission, and that commission goes directly to your PayPal. That's how that works, okay? Now, how I mentioned earlier in this video, how like I had earned $379 in 3 days with 1 hour of work. Now, how I was able to do that is, so this is something that you definitely want to make sure that you do. You want to make sure that you are building up your assets, okay? So what I mean by building up your assets, is that you want to, over time, you want to start building up an email list, okay? You want to start building up your social media. So if you have like a Facebook account, you definitely want to max out your friends list, okay? Once you max out your friends list, anybody that sends you a friend request, after that, they become a follower. So now you're just growing your following, okay? So you're building up your audience that way. If you have an Instagram, you get it past 10,000 subscribers, or if you have like a Facebook group, right? So that's one of the products that I had promoted for this actual launch, is how to build up a Facebook group. A Facebook group is an asset, because with Facebook groups, you can actually build the know, like, and trust factor inside of these groups, provide value, and you can offer products for sale, okay? So you want to build up those assets, because over time, as you build those assets, whenever you start to do product launches, not product launches, but when you start to promote other products, you already have an audience of people that will buy from you, okay? And it'll just make that sell a hell of a lot easier, because they know, like, and trust you. And if you're recommending something for them to buy, they will buy it because you are recommending it, and they actually trust you, okay? So that's what I'm saying. So over time, you definitely want to make sure that you're building up your assets, because in the beginning, you may not get a sale. You may get a few sales, but if you are building up those assets, like how I mentioned, the Facebook group, your YouTube, your social media channels, your email list, if you're building those up over time, trust me, you're going to start to earn more commissions, because now you have an audience of people who are listening to you. All right. So for this particular launch, I had promoted a product that was about Facebook groups. And what I did was, it was a 3-day launch for me. So I sent out maybe, I want to say like 4 or 5 emails over 3 days. And I made 3 Facebook posts. And that was it. And I was able to earn $379 with this particular product, okay? Doing the same thing. So that's just free money. I didn't have to buy anything or anything like that. I just found that product. I became an affiliate for that product. And what I did was I did a review of the product, and I created a bonus package, just like how I mentioned earlier. And I promoted that again with like 4 or 5 emails over a course of 3 days. And then I also made 3 Facebook posts, 2 inside of my group and 1 on my main profile, and I was able to do almost $380 in 3 days in free money. Okay, guys? So that's how this system works, guys, okay? You're just going to take advantage of upcoming affiliate launches, do video reviews on them, and earn commissions. Okay? So like I said, I did a full tutorial on how you actually do this, and I'll include that video below in the description below. Also, if you haven't already, guys, and I know I have mentioned this on several videos, if you're not inside of my Facebook group inside of my Facebook group, in the description below this video, I'm going to include a link where you can join my Facebook group. This is where you can learn more about affiliate marketing, how you can actually connect with other people who are doing affiliate marketing as well. I'll include a link below in the description below. And this video, this group is called Affiliate Marketing Rockstars. Make sure you join that group. Again, that's where you can connect with me and everything else, guys, okay? So that's how you get free PayPal money, guys, right? Again, taking advantage of upcoming affiliate launches, all right? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Again, underneath this video, go ahead, click on those links, request to join my Facebook group, and also watch that video, the full tutorial showing you guys how you can actually set up this entire business within a few hours, and you can make passive income by doing this, because once you have made the video one time, you know the video will always be working for you. Okay, guys, so that's the whole gist of this. Hope you found this video helpful, guys, and underneath this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.